God.
Can you
smell
smell
it? No,
really?
really.
Oh, you like shit.
Alright,
No one even see it.
drop. Slowly. Was that you, Brian?
Oh shit. Bring it up.
No, I think we're good. Drop down.
Yep. All the way.
Alright, so YouTube. I messed up. I did film with my GoPro installing the engine, but for some reason it keeps saying error, like files keep getting corrupted. I am gonna talk you guys through what I did though. So it's pretty self-explanatory. This one just goes in the factory mount, factory bracket. Bolted these three down here. That trans mount bracket right there is dirty. I need to tighten that still. This one, cut off that bracket. Installed this one. Still need to tighten this. Got a new belt because the other one, since it was an accident, it was rubbing through right there. Remove the radiator. Remove the power steering cooler. Pretty much removed all power steering. This is my kind of temporary wraparound. I'm probably just gonna get a non-power steering rack. Probably be easier. Because I don't plan on running power steering unless it was really like hindering me at the track. Then I'll probably like decide to run the power steering relocator, but I'm not sure at this time. Just trying to figure out the wiring. Got this set up. I have the harness going into the ECU right there. I have that going in there. That's it. I mean, everything else is plugged in. I do have some things that I couldn't figure out that I had to talk to the guy who sold me the engine. These two connectors right here, these two wires are for the coolant temp sensor, which he had a coolant temp gauge. So I won't be using that. I have the factory coolant temp sensor that came off the single cam. That's gonna go in my radiator. That's gonna go in there. I still need to install the fuel pump, and that's pretty much it. Oh, and install the shifter and the shifter box and all that. If I can get the car to crank over tonight, I'll be happy. Hopefully I can do that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna do a time lapse because it is getting pretty late, and I don't want to be here too long. Fuel pump's working. Check that again. Fuel pump's prime. Let's crank it over. Oh, I can smell fuel. Yeah, it's leaking fuel. Yep, it's leaking right there. Great. Now what am I gonna do? Well, I can try and crank the engine over and see what happens.